Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. In this video I will be answering a question from a student. The student asked why, after converting a pattern file from Gerber software to Optitex software, the seam lines do not appear when opening it in Optitex. So let's experience this pattern file together. And if you're watching these videos but haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Now let's experience the file together. This is the pattern file that he sent me, so I'll test it on my software to see how it works. And this is the part where it's converted from Gerber software to Optitex software, and this is the 2024 version, everyone. We will select the line called Zip Input. You will click on these three dots for me, and then we will select the Gerber pattern file. Down here I'll choose the location where the pattern file is stored after we convert it. I'll choose desktop, and for the upper section I'll select all the details. After that I'll click Load. Please wait a moment, it will load an Optitex file. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave your questions in the comments section below this video. If I have some extra time later on, I will make more videos to answer your specific questions and help resolve any issues you might have. Okay, so we have exported an Optitex file here, and now I will go ahead and open this file. You will notice that when we first open it, it does not actually appear in the workspace just yet. We will press Ctrl A. You'll see that there are some very large numbers here. I'll delete them now. You'll see that certain pattern pieces have seam lines while others don't. The reason for this specific visual difference is that in the Gerber software, when the user arranges the file, sometimes the seam lines are displayed for the layout and arrangement process, and sometimes they're hidden for the layout and arrangement process, That's why this situation occurs. So it's actually very simple to handle this. In the Optitex software, first you'll need to go up to the piece menu, then select Global Piece Info, and from there, please uncheck the Auto Reseam option for me, okay? Once you have done that, you will want to go to the Tool menu, navigate down to Seam, and then simply select the Reseam All option to complete it. Click OK. You'll see that now all these pieces have seams, right? This is the step where we update the seams. And now if you make any adjustments to these finished edges, the finished seam lines will also update accordingly. And that's my answer to the student's question. And if you happen to find this particular video helpful or interesting, please do not forget to take a moment to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share this video as much as possible with the community for tomorrow. Goodbye everyone, and see you again in the next sharing videos.